Are you ready to make it easier for your audience to know when you're available? Let's dive into adding standard hours to your Facebook page with these simple steps. To start, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap the menu icon, then select Pages. Switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo and selecting the desired page. Access your page's settings by tapping the profile picture and then the edit icon. Scroll down and tap Edit next to Detail. Now, tap Add Hours, followed by Hours, and then Standard Hours. Customize your availability by tapping Edit Hours and making your selections. Once you're done, tap Save to update your page with the standard hours. You've successfully added standard hours to your Facebook page, making it easier for your audience to know when you're open for business. Keep your audience informed and engaged by following these steps. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.